embarrassed on what you did in class?
Huh?
Are you really that embarrassed on what you did in class?
Yes.
Anyways, let's go in now. Whoa! Spencer, why is your BottleBot sculpture down here?
What?
Spencer, there's your BottleBot sculpture is down here. Oh, I forgot to put it back up. Get off my sculpture, Sam.
Fine.
Everybody run!
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, Spencer.
Ah!
I can't believe that he did that, Sam. He always sets his random things on fire.
This is ridiculous. Spencer, you can literally recreate it.
I don't have the ingredients to recreate it. Ingredients?
Ingredients.
I meant supplies. I'm just gonna go cry in my bedroom.
Okay.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Sam, iCarly.
Oh, yeah, right. We gotta film this show.
Let's go. I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam. And this is
iCarly. The only place where you can. We're going to make, Sam, what are we going to make?
chicken noodle soup in a blender.
Oh, okay. So, I'll go get the blender. Sam, you'll just do something while I'm gone.
Okay, I'm gonna do backflips.
Okay.
While Carly's getting the blender, I'm gonna do some backflips for y'all.
Yeah, you go, Sam.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I got the blender now. I also got the ingredients.
Where's the chicken noodle soup?
I have the ingredients to make it.
Oh, I thought you left the chicken noodle soup downstairs.
Anyways, let's make it. Sam, get the blender ready. I'll put the ingredients in.
Okay, I'll plug it in.
Okay. I'll put the noodles in. Noodles.
Okay.
Ready or not, Sam?
I'm ready.
Chicken noodle soup lights a blender on fire. I'm just gonna kick that away. Hey, look, the fire's out.
Well, that's good at least.
Anyways, we're not gonna make this iCarly too short because that's literally all we did. So, what are we gonna do next? What about some random dancing?
Sure.
Do random dancing. Woo!
Woohoo!
I'm Carly.
And I'm Sam.
And
this is iCarly.
Woo! And we're clear. We did that.
Hooray!
Anyways, Sam, do you want to go with me to the groovy smoothie later?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I got a notification on my phone. The groovy smoothie was torn down.
What?
That's my favorite smoothie place.
Wow. Why would they tear it down?
Apparently, Tebow had a rat problem.
Oh.
That
Well, I
sucks.
guess
That
Well, I
sucks.
guess that explains it.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Anyways, we got nothing to drink unless we gotta go to a new smoothie place.
Is there a new smoothie place?
Apparently Tebow will be running a new one. They just have to build it, and it's gonna take at least a year.
At least a year?
Yeah, so the Groovy Smoothie will be rebuilt, but it's gonna take at least a year.
Oh my god.
What do you want to do? Do you want to eat fried chicken, Sam? I got a whole bowl of them for you.
Sure.
Okay, it's downstairs in the fridge. Come on, buddy.
He's done. Now it's time to tie up Sweaty Dog.
No, Sam, what are you doing? I'm gonna call for Carly.
Gonna put you right up here.
Sam! Let me down! I hate you, Sam!
I hate you too.
Sam, where's Freddy?
Oh, I tied him, to the ceiling on the airplane.
Okay, we'll get him later. Get your fried chicken and I'll heat it up.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, give it to me. I'll heat it up.
Here you go.
I'm so glad it's the weekend. I hate school.
I know.
Especially Miss Briggs and Mr. Howard.
Yeah.
Anyways, from that last iCarly sketch, Spencer's robot's still Spencer recreated his robot, and it's in my dress from last sketch.
Yep.
Also, one question: why am I never in the iCarly sketches?
Why are you never in the iCarly sketches?
Why am I never in your iCarly videos?
I don't know.
Whatever. Whatever, I guess. Anyway, your fried chicken is done. You can go get it.
Fried chicken! Should we go? No, my fried chicken!
Why'd you tie me up to that? Why'd you tie me up to my wedgie to the plane?
I don't know. I felt like it.
Okay, I'll get you. But don't worry, I'll get you more fried chicken.
Yay! You're not like my mom when she gets attacked, when she comes home with cold fried chicken from getting a tattoo at the chicken line.
Anyways, here's your chicken.
Thank you. Nom 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 nom.
Nom nom nom.
Nom 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 nom.
Oh God, you're chewing that.
Nom 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 nom.
My room's on fire!
Nom.
My room's on fire, Carly and Sam.
What?
What? Go!
Run! Wait, my fried chicken!
You finished it already.
I want the bucket!
Ugh, whatever. Go, Spencer, go! Now you know how I felt like when you burned down my room.
Yep.
I was heartbroken and depressed.
And now you're gonna feel that.
Carly, I'm the one who built you that new room. I guess that's true.
Well, then you can build your own room.
Sam, I want to do something in favor. How about I build his new room? Since he built mine?
Well, I guess.
It seems fair.
Yeah, it does.
Spencer! Spencer!
Spencer!
Yeah, Carl? Yeah, Sam?
Your new room is done.
Oh, yippee. I want to go see it. Okay, it's right in there. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you, Carly.
No. Well,
No problem. And you gotta thank Sam too. She helped me. Thank you, Sam.
no problem.
Anyways, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Also, remember how my room burned down? Remember how my room burned down and this whole place didn't?
Yeah.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
Many things have caught on fire here, but this is the only thing that hasn't burned down.
Maybe.
No, Sam, there has been tons of fires here, and the whole place didn't burn down.
What? Oh,
Anyways, we gotta think about iCarly ideas for next week.
Yeah, we do.
Is Freddy still up in the wedge? Oh no, didn't he smack your chicken out of your hand? It got out somehow?
Yeah, he got out.
Anyways,
my mom's calling me. I gotta go.
Okay, bye, Sam.
Bye.
Okay, so I'm guessing I'm writing this iCarly idea by myself. Anyways, let's start thinking.